There's no regret. We took things slow.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click the notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing a hair review and this Outre perfect hairline, you all. Jaylani is the name, you all. I'll go ahead and hold on the hair so you all can see how it is looking. It is 26 inches, fully untied HD lace, and these are all the colors that the unit is available in. And it's a 13 by 6 fully untied lace wig, you all. Okay, so you have no plucking or nothing like that, and the color is DR Creamy Mocha. Yeah, a comb at the back, the adjustable strap right here, and an additional elastic band, and two combs in one right here and one right there. So a comb in the back, a comb in the back, the adjustable strap right there, this additional cap, and the comb on either side. And this is the false scalp wig, you all. Look at it. And this is how the colors looking.
I dream you walking down to me. You look beautiful in white, and I vow to protect you for all time.
This is how the hairline is looking, and it does need to pluck a little more, but I don't have the time to do that, so I'll just leave it as it is. This is how the side looks, the back, and
you walking down to me. You look beautiful in white, and
now I'll go in and remove the excess lace. Just cut it like this.
you're standing next to me as you place your hands in mine, and I vow to be yours, vow to love you for the rest. I dream you walking down to me. You look beautiful in white, and I vow to protect you for all time. I dream you're standing next to me as you place your hands in mine, and I vow to be yours, vow to love you for the rest of my life. Every morning I'm gonna be here. Why you crying? Why so many tears? You've been there for me, I've been there for you. Look in the mirror and think this through. Something is perfect and babe, your hands in mine, and I vow to be yours, vow to love you for the rest of my life. Every morning I'm gonna be here. Why you crying? Why so many tears? You've been there for me, I've been there for you. Look in the mirror and think this through. something as perfect and pretty as you. I never could leave, you gotta believe. But you think my heart's not there. Cause it's been a while, you keep telling me it's been a while. Let me tell you something, yes I know we've been together for so long. You think that I can't see. After these years, you're still pretty, pretty. Truth be told, we've grown stronger. See, I need your love, so don't worry about me. Cause I still think you're perfect, perfect. Pretty, 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 pretty. Every morning you're next to me. Why do you worry? Just go back to sleep. I know you love me, you know I love you. Oh, think of the moments of me and you. Our love is stronger for what we've been through. You're my family, that's always gonna be. But you cry when I'm not there. You're afraid of time. You keep saying you're afraid of time. Let me tell you something. Yes, I know we've been together for so long. You think that I can't see. After these years, you're still pretty, pretty. Truth be told, we grow stronger. See, I need your love, so don't worry about me. Cause I still think you're perfect, perfect. Pretty, pretty. Even in the morning, girl, you're pretty. Everything you do, girl, you're pretty. After 10 years, girl, you're pretty. 100 more too, girl, you're pretty, pretty. Even in the morning, girl, you're pretty. Everything you do, girl, you're pretty. After 10 years, girl, you're pretty. 100 more too, girl, you're pretty, pretty. Yes, I know we've been together for so long. You think that I can't see. After these years, you're still pretty, pretty. Truth be told, we grow stronger. See, I need your love, so don't worry about me. Don't worry, 'cause I still oh, yes, I know we've been together for so long. I can't see. After these years, I'm still here. Don't we grow? Give me your love. So don't worry about me. 'Cause I still think you're pretty, pretty. Girl, I'm thinking. That's the one. Oh, you pretty girl, pretty, pretty, pretty girl, pretty, 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 pretty.
This is a very beautiful wig. The color, guys, it's all about the color. I love this color. And it does give you a human hair look and feel, but it does sheds and tangles. This is a perfect wig for special occasion. This is not a everyday wig because of the tangle and the shedding. The link to this wig is in the description down below. If you're interested, you can go and check it out, you all. Thank you for watching, guys. As always, I do appreciate you all. Until next time, bye, guys.
And see how my arms hold you forever. There's no way you've wasted time with me. I feel my dreams for us